Welcome to CarMax. Today we're diving into the world of precision, performance, and passion with the stunning Renault RS. A true symbol of sport-inspired engineering and modern design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Renault RS commands attention with its sharp lines, sculpted body, and bold aerodynamic presence. The white exterior with red and orange racing stripes speaks to its racing DNA, while every curve and contour tells the story of speed and control. It's not just a car, it's a performance statement that redefines what driving excitement truly means. Step closer and you'll notice the meticulous craftsmanship that makes the Renault RS stand apart. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, with a signature grille design that proudly holds the RS badge. LED headlights illuminate the road with precision, and the aerodynamic shape enhances airflow for better stability at high speeds. The red alloy wheels add an extra layer of style, perfectly balancing power and aesthetics. Each design detail reflects Renault's commitment to creating a car that performs as brilliantly as it looks. Under the hood, the Renault RS comes alive with a turbocharged performance engine built for thrill seekers. Every mechanical part under the open hood is crafted to deliver maximum output and efficiency. The engine roars with authority while maintaining refined control, giving the driver the perfect balance between power and handling. The precision-tuned suspension, responsive steering, and advanced traction systems ensure an unforgettable driving experience, whether on smooth highways or challenging corners. It's a car engineered to excite, with performance that feels both raw and refined. Inside the cabin, the story of luxury meets sport continues. The straight front view reveals a beautifully designed dashboard wrapped in premium materials. Black leather seats with red stitching not only enhance comfort but also reflect the RS identity. The flat-bottom steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and center touchscreen put all controls at your fingertips, making every drive intuitive and connected. The ambient lighting creates a mood that feels both sporty and sophisticated, transforming the interior into a driver's sanctuary. Every switch, button, and screen has been designed with precision, blending technology and ergonomics seamlessly. Driving the Renault RS is not just transportation, it's an emotion. The car reacts to your every command with instant feedback, making each journey more personal. Whether cruising through city streets or accelerating down open roads, the Renault RS delivers confidence and excitement in equal measure. The advanced braking system provides outstanding control, and the aerodynamic design ensures stability even at top speeds. It's a car that listens to its driver and performs with heart. Renault has always been known for innovation, and the RS continues that tradition with cutting-edge features. From advanced safety systems to modern connectivity options, every aspect of this car is built to enhance the driving experience. The Renault RS doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them, setting new benchmarks for performance hatchbacks. It's stylish, powerful, and intelligently engineered to bring pure driving joy. In every sense, the Renault RS is a masterpiece of modern automotive design. It combines power, precision, and passion in a way that few cars can match. Whether you admire it from the outside, feel the rush of its engine, or experience the refined comfort inside, the RS never fails to impress. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying every second of the journey. The Renault RS proves that performance and elegance can coexist, making it a true icon for those who live for the thrill of driving.